Hello everyone. Nowadays, there aren't a whole lot of jobs requesting a business analyst, and that's mostly because people don't understand what business analysis or BA is. But business analysis is key to business success. Many people do it or benefit from it without even knowing what it is. So, what does it mean? Business analysis is understanding the business needs. It's using a specific set of tools and techniques to uncover and analyze the needs, and recommending solutions that deliver value to stakeholders. It also can help determine the details behind a user story. In different businesses, business analysts will be focused on some of the following types of activities: process and systems improvement in terms of efficiency and effectiveness, solving business problems, looking for savings and efficiencies, focusing on business development and searching for new opportunities, performance analysis, competitor analysis. Generally, there are 5 business analyst skills to be really effective. 1. Writing and documentation. 2. Requirement elicitation. 3. Problem solving. 4. Visualization. Then 5. Communication. In different companies, business analysts are expected to carry out different activities, but here are some of the most common duties. BI analyze the performance of a particular segment of products or services. Very often, they engage with analysis of different processes, defining goals, and formulating hypotheses. Their effort is to optimize the performance of that particular segment they have been assigned to. They not only collect data, but also apply data-driven decision-making, communicate findings, and oversee the implementation of these findings. What's more, BA often conducts training for non-technical team members. So, we can safely say that business analysts are the best communicators among problem solvers and are always ready to lend their expertise across the organization.